This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is a Class C RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 23 feet 10 inches in length and features Sleep 6, TV, microwave, water heater, air conditioning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, DVD player, LP detector, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom. This 2022 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 22R is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.